Hello everybody, Bo wants to say hi today. Hello everybody, KT here with Wise Images Photography, and this is Bo, and we wanted to say welcome to our channel. He wanted to come up and say hi today. We are all about going on fun-filled adventures, learning about photography, and also nature. I got a little sidetracked there. But in today's episode, we are going to go ahead and learn all about built-in flashes and why do they give us red eye. As you know, built-in flashes are right here on our camera, very, very close to our lens. And if we are looking at our cell phones, the flash is very close to where our lens is. So because the flash and the lens are so close to each other, and also with the combination of being in a really dark lit situation, that's going to be when you are going to get red eye. Why is that going to happen? Let me explain. Because the lens and the flash are so close to each other, when the flash comes out towards your subject, what's going to happen is in a dark lit situation, everybody's eyes are dilated, they're wide open. And so the lens, what it sees when that light goes in and then it sees inside of the eye, it's actually seeing the retina, which is in the back of the eye. And with them seeing the back of the eye, the retina is actually red. So hence the reason why you guys are going to get red eye. So how do we fix this? There's a few different ways to do this. Well, if you have a professional camera, you can always add an on-camera flash. Now what this does is it raises the light. It's a lot higher. Also too, it can turn around and you can change your angle, so you could also bounce that flash so that it's not hitting directly into your subject's eyes. Now, if you want to go ahead and raise it even higher, you guys can also use a bracket. And I'll show you guys real quickly the bracket as I'm dropping it all over the table. So basically, I'm not going to put the whole thing together for you all, but I am going to kind of show you how it will potentially, when it comes onto your camera here, it raise it up even higher than what if you just put it directly on it. I forgot that I actually had another bracket here that was kind of in the way of showing that this actually raises that flash up a little bit for you, a little bit higher. So another option would be to take your on-camera flash and kind of take it off the camera by maybe using an umbrella, a softbox, or if you have like a TTL cable, you could, take it and just kind of hand hold it. Even I've seen a lot of people hand hold it and kind of just move that light around to wherever they want. And then that way you don't get the red eye either. Now, if getting an on-camera flash is not an option for you, and you only have that built-in flash, you can always use something like a piece of paper, tissue, a note card, something to go ahead and put in front of that flash so that way you can go ahead and diffuse the light a little bit. Another option is not have your subject look directly into that lens. Have them look a little bit off to the side, maybe catch more candid photographs, because the red eye will happen when you're looking directly into that lens, because that's what that lens is seeing when they're looking directly into that eye. Another option is to just go ahead and turn on some lights. That way, instead of having everybody's eyes wide open and dilated, you kind of can get them to close down, because when you get more light source, the eyes close up a little bit. So if you guys found value in that and you think that's going to be something that's going to help you, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And I wanted to say, like always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you think that this channel could help somebody else with their photography, or they want to learn about nature and go on fun-filled adventures, make sure you share this information with them. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would like to invite you to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any new episodes that are coming up. And until next time, I will see you later, alligator.